perfect turkey gravy, and the kitchen to match. Let's talk turkey gravy, the liquid gold that transforms your Thanksgiving meal from a good to a gobble-worthy. A rich homemade gravy ties all those flavors together, from the perfectly roasted bird to the fluffy mashed potatoes. And here's the thing, making gravy is an art, and like all great artists, you need the right studio, aka the perfect kitchen. If your current space leaves you scrambling for stove space or bumping elbows during the big cook-off, don't worry. As your favorite Space Coast realtor, I specialize in finding homes with kitchens that are as dream-worthy as this recipe. Let's dive into crafting the gravy of your dreams, because you deserve a kitchen that inspires, and let's be honest, more counter space for your gravy boat collection. Dreamy homemade turkey gravy. Ingredients: pan drippings from your roasted turkey, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 to 3 cups turkey stock or chicken stock if needed, salt and freshly ground pepper to taste, a splash of heavy cream, optional for extra richness, a pinch of thyme or sage, optional for herbaceous flair. Start with the drippings. After roasting your turkey, pour the pan drippings into a heat-proof measuring cup. Let the fat rise to the top and skim it off, saving the flavorful liquid below. If you're working with a tiny stovetop or no space to balance hot pans, just remember, I can help you find a kitchen where the process is as smooth as the gravy itself. Create the rocks. In a medium saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Whisk in the flour, stirring constantly until the mixture turns golden and smells nutty, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the stock. Gradually whisk in the turkey stock, starting with 2 cups. Keep whisking to prevent lumps and watch as your gravy thickens to perfection. If you want a thinner consistency, add more stock a little at a time. Season to taste. Stir in the reserved pan drippings and season with salt and pepper. Feeling fancy? Toss in a splash of cream or sprinkle with thyme to elevate the flavor. Simmer and serve. Let the gravy simmer for a few minutes, then pour it into your favorite gravy boat or the fanciest mug if your current kitchen lacks storage. Serve hot, and your guests slather it on everything in sight. In conclusion, if making this gravy has you dreaming of a spacious, functional kitchen, one with enough burners, counter space, and maybe even a second oven, it's time to take the leap. As your go-to Space Coast realtor, I specialize in finding homes that inspire culinary creativity and making hosting a breeze. Let's find you a kitchen where making the perfect gravy, and every other dish, feels effortless, because your home should be as delicious as the life you're building in it. Ready to make a move? Let's chat. Your dreamy kitchen is awaiting.